Most people get this wrong. They think the Capital One Platinum Card is just another basic credit card, but it's actually a powerful tool for building or improving credit while keeping things simple. Here's how it works. The Capital One Platinum Card is designed for people with average or limited credit. It doesn't offer flashy rewards or cash back, but it does report your payment history to all three major credit bureaus, which is exactly what you need to build a strong credit profile. The card also comes with no annual fee, making it a low-risk way to start building credit. One of the standout features is the potential for a higher credit line after just 5 months of on-time payments. That means if you use the card responsibly, you could increase your credit limit without submitting another application, which helps your credit utilization ratio and overall credit score. Tips for maximizing the Capital One Platinum Card. 1. Keep your balance low and pay in full each month to avoid interest charges. 2. Set up automatic payments to never miss a due date. 3. Use the card for small, regular purchases you can comfortably pay off to demonstrate responsible credit usage. Who should consider this card? Anyone who wants to build or rebuild credit without worrying about annual fees or complicated reward programs. It's especially good for first-time credit card users or those recovering from past credit challenges. In conclusion, the Capital One Platinum Card is simple, effective, and designed to help you grow your credit responsibly. Subscribe for more reviews and tips, and remember, pay on time, keep balances low, and watch your credit score rise.